Hi family, it's Herbalist Viola, and today I want to see if your liver is talking to you. Yes, you know that your liver filters everything, so it's your system's filtration system. So I just want to know, does your liver look like this? It probably do, because listen, your body talks to you. I talk about that all the time in my videos. So your liver probably looks like this, and we don't want our liver looking like this at all. And the ways that your liver talks to you, because it could look like that nasty filter, is you ever get like a bad taste in your mouth and you kind of lose a little bit of sense of taste? That could be your liver talking to you. Also, sometimes during the day, you'll get a white coat in your mouth. That's your liver talking to you. Same thing with gas, bloating, um, brown spots. I know some people like that's aging, and no, that's your liver talking to you. I guarantee you, if you focus on your liver, do a little simple detox. I'm going to show you how to do a little simple detox. But if you do a little simple detox, it'll change. And other things is, if you ever notice your breath is bad, that's your liver having so much ammonia in your body that it caused bad breath. And it's so many other ways, but these are little signs and little things that your body's telling you, hey, listen, you might need to detox your body because our filter's dirty and we need to clean our filter. We need to change up and just correct things down there. Um, and other things is, if your GERD is coming back, indigestion, you find your stomach actually bloated and just full and getting fat and fat building up around your stomach area, and your body's, normal. Your body's regular. Like me, I'm thin. So if I find my stomach bloated and full and I'm getting fat in that area and I start getting that tired, that could be my liver talking to me. So I'm just going to show you a simple solution that you can use at nighttime, and a little simple detox. You have the items in your house. I think the only thing you need to get is some coconut milk. So what you need is coconut milk, turmeric, and I know you got turmeric in your house because look, that was part of what I wanted you to put in your apothecary. So you should have turmeric and you should have ginger. And we already know turmeric and ginger is is a must-have, and everybody has it in the house. So I just want to make sure that you guys take this. I know some people are doing ginger shots, which is excellent. I know some people are doing turmeric, taking turmeric tablets. Look, you guys, those are great. Also, of course, garlic. It's a whole other things that you can use. But I'm going to show you something that you can use at nighttime that can help you while you're sleeping. And I don't know if some people know, it's another name of it is golden milk. So I don't know if you ever heard of golden milk, but I noticed that when I've taken it, because I did try it. I did it for 7 days, and I actually slept a little bit better because it actually the coconut milk, the fat in the coconut milk kind of like soothe you. The turmeric and the ginger kind of like soothes you and just help you drift off to sleep faster. Yes, my body was talking to me. I was looking and I'm like, man, what are these brown spots? And I noticed my midsection, and I was like, man, I think I need to do a detox on my liver. So I was listening to my body because my body was talking to me, and I was like, man, you definitely need to drink more lemon water, because I increased my lemon water, and this is the main reason why we say 64 ounces of water a day. So your body, your liver is, look, everything you're eating, look, fries has the oil and the grease, the hamburger, meat, all the toxins, all the poisons that you put in your body goes through your liver. And if your liver's looking like this, you need to do a detox. So I'm not going to make the video long, but I do want you guys to hit the notification, share my video, like my video, and just pass them to somebody else, because you never know who this might help. But the reason why I wanted to show you this, because it helps me. It helped me a lot. Yes, there's a whole lot of other detoxing. This is just something that you can do in your house, do at night, where you already have it. Like I said, only thing you got to do is probably spend money on buying some coconut milk. And I try to get you guys to save some money. But all you need is a cup of milk, just 1 cup. 1 cup of milk. Of course, you got to blend it. So that's why I have my blender. Sorry for that. So you need a cup of milk, a blender, you need ginger, and you need turmeric. So I have my turmeric. So it's 1 cup of milk. And far as your turmeric, you just need a half a tablespoon. Yes, just 1/2 a tablespoon of turmeric. And that's all you need. So a half a tablespoon, just a half a tablespoon. And then for is your ginger, you just need a quarter, just 1/4 of a tablespoon. Yeah, just 1/4 of a tablespoon. And then you just mix it. The only reason why you need the blender, because you want it to mix well. So, and it doesn't have to be that long. Doesn't have to be that long. You mix it. All you just want to do is mix well. So I'm going to turn it on high just to make sure it's mixing well. And there you have it. Golden milk. You just get your glass and you pour it. Yep. And there you have it. Some golden milk. And you just drink it down. Look. Some people like it warm. You can actually put the blender on a little bit longer and it'll warm up. Yes, some blenders actually warm it up, but you just drink it down. And it's good. It's not that bad. Some people do put black pepper in it to give it a little spice, to give it a little kick. But there you have it. And it's real simple, real easy. You drink this down and watch how easy it is for you to go to sleep. Yes, you do supposed to, I tell people about drinking water, but listen, don't drink the apple cider vinegar before you go to sleep. Just go ahead and have your turmeric, ginger, and milk. It's real good. And the main reason why we use the turmeric and the ginger, they both are great detoxifiers for your liver. So they, oh my goodness, they clean your liver. So make sure you take it. And they both aid the digestive. So you definitely want it. And that's the main reason why these are 2 key ingredients, especially turmeric. Turmeric is the overall main ingredients in this. So guys, there you have it. Something easy, something to detox. This actually detox while you're sleeping. It actually helps soothe your body. Actually clean out all the poisons, all the toxins out your body. Listen, do this for 7 days and I bet you your body will change. Seriously. Take your time. Do it for 7 days. Your body's always talking to you. I talk about it all the time. So just make sure that you are detoxing your body because listen, your liver is very important. Yes, it regrows itself. But once it starts getting cirrhosis of the liver and getting real deep, getting real clogged, worse than this filter, you just never know. You don't want to lose your liver because yes, they do have liver transplants, but once your liver get beyond a certain point, and I'll show a little clip, but once it gets beyond a certain point, it's no coming back to your liver. You don't want to get cancer. You don't want to get bad cirrhosis of the liver because it's no coming back. You can't come back. And yeah, it's pretty serious. Your liver is very, very important. It's a vital part of your body. Listen, it always talks to you. So if you have those little signs and symptoms, definitely go see the doctor. Yes, I know I talked about the brown spots like Viola. I have brown spots. Those are aging spots. Yes, sometimes they could be aging spots, but sometimes it could just be your liver talking to you. So just definitely Listen to your body. Do this little simple detox, and you just never know. Yes, you have to change your diet. We talks about that every day. Decrease the use of excessive alcohol. Decrease the use of a lot of fatty foods, decrease oil, a lot of oils. You want to decrease some stuff. You want to get away from processed foods, decrease the sugar, and I promise you, you'll see your liver will be so happy, and you'll live a longer life. Seriously, you don't want to mess with your liver. Love your liver, love yourself, because listen, your liver and your body's always talking. So just take your time and listen. Seriously, listen to your body. But all right, so this is Herbalist Viola. You guys have a great day and listen to your body. Bye.